The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike has quickly gained attention among cycling enthusiasts and casual riders alike. With its robust design, impressive specifications, and the promise of a thrilling riding experience, this electric bike is worth diving into for a detailed review. At the heart of the Aipas M1 Pro is its powerful 1800W peak motor. This motor provides not only a substantial amount of thrust but also delivers exceptional acceleration. Riders can easily reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The motor is paired with a removable 48V20A lithium-ion battery, which offers an impressive range. On a single charge, riders can expect to cover between 40 to 55 miles, depending on their riding style and terrain. This range is more than adequate for daily commutes or weekend rides, alleviating any concerns about running out of battery mid-journey. One of the standout features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its sturdy aluminum alloy frame. Weighing in at approximately 65 pounds, this bike feels solid and stable, providing confidence when navigating rough terrain or tackling steep hills. The frame design is not just about durability but also incorporates a sleek aesthetic that is sure to turn heads. The bike's geometry is crafted to ensure a comfortable riding position, making it suitable for longer rides without causing strain on the back or wrists. The Aipas M1 Pro is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, offering reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. Riders can feel secure knowing that they can stop quickly and efficiently, which is especially important when navigating unpredictable urban environments or steep descents. The 4-inch wide fat tires ensure excellent traction and stability, allowing riders to tackle various terrains, from city streets to gravel paths. This versatility is a significant advantage for those looking for an all-around electric bike that can handle different riding conditions. Comfort is paramount in the design of the Aipas M1 Pro. The bike features a plush adjustable seat that accommodates long rides without discomfort. Suspension forks at the front absorb shocks from bumps and uneven surfaces, enhancing the overall riding experience. This feature is particularly useful for off-road enthusiasts who enjoy venturing into more rugged landscapes. One of the notable aspects of the Aipas M1 Pro is its user-friendly control panel. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, providing essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and power mode. The bike has 3 power modes, allowing riders to choose how much assistance they want from the motor. This feature is beneficial for those who may want to conserve battery life on longer rides or opt for a more challenging workout by relying less on the motor. The Aipas M1 Pro also includes integrated LED lights, enhancing safety during nighttime rides. The front light illuminates the path ahead, while the rear light increases visibility to other road users. The addition of reflectors on the tires further enhances safety, making this bike a great option for those who plan to ride after dark. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that the weight of the Aipas M1 Pro can be cumbersome when maneuvering the bike off the road or when attempting to carry it upstairs. While the weight contributes to its stability, it may deter some riders who prioritize portability. Additionally, the assembly process can be slightly complicated for those who are not mechanically inclined. A detailed instruction manual is provided, but some users have reported needing additional time and effort to get everything right. In terms of pricing, the Aipas M1 Pro is positioned competitively within the electric bike market, making it an attractive option for those seeking performance without breaking the bank. Its combination of power, range, and comfort offers excellent value, especially for riders who plan to utilize it frequently. Overall, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike represents a solid investment for anyone looking for a reliable electric bike that excels in performance and comfort. While it may have some minor drawbacks, such as weight and assembly complexity, the benefits far exceed these concerns. With its powerful